So there you go, Malcolm. You can have an idea now for your girlfriend when they wanna open their chicken business. So this is the lechong manok business here in Mandaue. Usually pila ka manok inyong mahalin sa sakadlaw gang. Mao ba? Sa sakadlaw? Ug kanang kuan, kusog jud. 15 ka ba? They 10 to 15 chickens they sold every day here. Pero maniram ka mo sayo, ma'am, no? Oh. So you need to have a permit, a different permit for the chicken. Ada sa City Hall, ma'am.
Oh, sa City Hall. Ang sa Mandaue ka sa veterinary.
Veterinary of the
Baboy, permit, manok, permit.
So because she's also inspection every day here in Mandaue from the veterinary. Oo, ma'am, no? Kaya ako kay ato man sa Batayan Island mag-abli man ba?
Sigmore, ganahan mo, Sigmore, magkilit mo.
Save More supermarket. Mas barato siya, ma'am, kaysa.
Oh, sa Sigmore.
So you can
200, labi na kay card, naka sila yung discount.
So they usually have to buy your chicken from Save More supermarket. She said that you can have a lesser chicken or wholesale chicken. Tagpila ang makuha ng kilo, ma'am.
Sa Sigmore, kung daghan ka na may discount mo, 147, depende lang sa kadagkon mo magkuha.
147 one. So 1 kilo kapin, 147.
Ang kaning 900 dali, 950 ang internal.
So lechonon that is recommended is about less than a kilo. Mga less than a kilo para dali maluto, ma'am, no? So easily be cooked. Yeah, pilay kuha mo sa uling, madam.
350.
So
Batayan, ang amo na Batayan man.
island man amo island man.
Oh, magsakay barato ra lang ito.
Lagi.
Ay sa diri kaduha naman ni dadkon dito.
Mao. So she's buying the sack of charcoal for 350 a sack. But I know that I could get it lesser because so Sears recommending you to Malcolm. You keep on asking me about the lechon business is to get it in Save More or direct in Mandaue San Miguel Chicken. Then you have to have this. Kani imong lechonan nga nagtuyok-tuyok, madam. Asa ni mapalit? So the rotisserie, you can buy it or have it welded. You can buy it in any welding places. You can order how many tiers you can have. And it can also be welded. It's got a thing that it will rotate. You can see there's a wheels on the end. So 10 to 15 chickens a day. So the minimum was 10. But their biggest seller, of course, they're selling lechon. But you have to have a permit for chicken, different permit for lechon, and there's inspection every day. And this is a main road here in Mandaue. So it depends on your location if how many chickens you can sell every day. And then the recommended size is less than a kilo. So it will be truly cooked. So there you go, Malcolm. You can have an idea now for your girlfriend when they wanna open their chicken business. You have to get the chicken is either direct San Miguel or in Save More. That's the cheapest that you can get it from. 145, 147 per kilo. And they're selling it for 210 cook. Nya ang marinade niya, ma'am, ikaw na magmarinate. So she's marinating it at 12 before she even roasted it, like lemongrass, Rufina patis, soy sauce, and seasonings. So this is the roast chicken business that I was requesting. So these are the idea.